Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. We're going to be talking about the Major Dimension number 2 eyeshadow palette from Patrick Ta, which is the Rose edition. This is what it looks like. She is so pretty. I love his original palette, which I have right here. So I'm just going to show you side by side. So this is like more of a rosy, bronzy. You get 5 mattes and 5 shimmer and glitter, and then you get 2 creams right here. This is what it looks like. It is just so pretty. I'm gonna just turn my lights off so you can actually see how they look. So this is what it looks like. They're just so pretty. And I'm gonna show you the original palette, or the palette side by side. So this is the original one, which is more like bronzy and a neutral warm colors, which I really love for like an everyday look. I love the original one, so I'm really excited to dive into this color here. So here are the swatches, you guys, from this palette. It is so gorgeous. So these are the creams, and these are the shimmers, and then the matte at the end. I'm gonna prime my eyelids with this MAC. This is called the MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. This is what I use under my eyes today, so I'm just gonna use the same one. I do have my mascara on because I was running some errands today. Before I said anything with powder, I'm just gonna dive into the cream color, which I'm gonna choose this beautiful rosy mauvey color. It's really pretty. So I'm just gonna slap it on the eyes before I do any powder. I'm gonna use the same Real Technique brush here, and I'm just gonna put it all over my lid. Oh, that is so pretty. Probably I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit more here so you can actually see better. The weather is not the best today. I feel like it's very gloomy and sunny at the same time. It's very cloudy, and okay, oh my goodness, that is just so pretty by itself. That is really pretty. Okay, and they're very pigmented, so you don't need a lot. Okay, and I'm just gonna blend it now. Take a fluffy brush just like this one here. This is from Morphe. I've been into this shade right here, and I'm gonna take this one just on the edges, just on the crease here, just to set everything in place, and I'm gonna blend it on the edge as well. I'm gonna take this plummy color here with another Morphe brush, and I'm just gonna put this one on the outer corner, and I'm just gonna dab it on the outer corner here, just like that. And I'm just gonna blend, and whatever's left on the brush, I'm just gonna bring it forward here. Just like that. So gorgeous. I really love this look. Like these colors, and the plummy pink colors are really beautiful for brown eyes. I can't find those elf tape anymore at Walmart. They used to bring them all the time, not anymore. So I'm just gonna take a little tape here. I'm gonna make a little liner with the eyeshadow. So we're gonna do that. And I'm going to take the darkest shade in this palette, which is this pretty shade, this right here. I'm going to take a flat brush like this. Just going to create that wing. I just want it like a smoky wing liner. Just gonna blend the liner really well so it's not harsh. Okay, that's perfect, just like that. So I recommend you guys doing this before you do your foundation, just in case if it lifts any foundation. I'm just gonna blend. So I'm just adding some of that dark color, just very lightly to blend in the liner and just make my edges a little bit darker, just a tiny bit. Now I'm gonna take that fluffy brush that I used it at the beginning and I'm just gonna blend everything together. And we'll leave it like this. Now I'm gonna move on to the shimmers. I'm not sure which color to go for, to be honest. There are two which I'm really excited about. This one here, so I'm just gonna swatch them quickly just to see which one to go for. Oh my goodness, these are so gorgeous. So one, which is this one here. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna pack it on the lid. That is gorgeous. I hope the camera's picking that up. Such a gorgeous shade. It kind of helps when you have a tacky base because we applied that cream shadow at the beginning. I don't know if that's showing, but it's so gorgeous in person, you guys. It is so glowy. I'm going to take this beautiful golden shade here with this brush and I'm just gonna apply it in the inner corner. I'm not sure how it's gonna apply with a brush because it's really, really sparkly. Okay, that is gorgeous. So sparkly. Love it. For the bottom lash line, I'm gonna take the same flat brush from Morphe and I'm just gonna dip it into, actually, I'm gonna go with this shade here. I'm gonna apply it in the lower lash line. They're so pigmented, so pretty. And now I'm gonna take this light shade here with this brush here. All my brushes are from actually Morphe. I'm gonna buff it in the lower lash line. And I go back to that beautiful golden color and I'm just gonna take it a little bit here on this flat brush. I'm just gonna apply it right in here, just for a pop of sparkle, just in the inner corner. Just like that. It kind of makes your eyes brighter for sure, and I just like it. I like that. Last thing I'm going to do, I'm gonna apply some black kohl liner in my waterline, and I'm gonna use this Tarteist. What is this called? This is the double take eyeliner from Tarte. Really like it. I love this end here because it is so black and it stays on for a long time. It's very long wearing, so I'm just gonna apply it right in the waterline here. And I love the other end as well, which has a liquid liner. Just gonna throw some lashes on and I will be right back. So this is the finished look, guys. This is with lashes. I really, really enjoy this palette. I knew I was gonna like it. I think I do like this one better than the original palette because of the shimmers. I have more pigments. The shimmery shades from the old palette were like toppers. Really like the old palette though. Like it's my favorite when I do neutral colors, bronzy colors. I reach for it more often. But this is a new addition to my collection. I really, really like this. The look I had on today, it's so pretty. You can create so many looks with this. You can mix and match colors with the older palette as well. You can create so many looks with this palette, you guys. You can go very, very light pink and neutral colors. You can go like here. same as I did today. Use these colors, and you can go really dark to make it very smoky. So you can really do so many looks with this palette here. I really enjoyed it. I used Lily Lashes, the Luxury Synthetic line from Shoppers Drug Mart in the style Posh. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on the Dimension number 2 Rose palette from Patrick Ta. Please subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.